how do you optimize profitable campaigns? When it comes down to optimization, how would I optimize profitable campaigns? It has to do a lot with not over-optimize profitable campaigns, especially when it comes down to profitable campaigns, but rather double down on why do they work and how could I replicate them. So for me, when it comes down to, let's say our target ACOS for one specific brand on a product level is 40%. 40%, you might say that is high, but maybe this product actually is on a higher end and can afford spending that much on advertising. It makes sense. Anything that is under 40%, I would not adjust the bids up at all. And the reason for that is because once that we are doing that, we might be ending up in different placements. We just touch base a bit on placements and how each placement acts in a different way. So what I've seen on my end, for us to optimize profitable campaigns, we are not going to optimize bids. We are going to see, all right, so this is a profitable campaign. Let's duplicate this campaign. And by duplication, especially for discovery campaigns, this is a good strategy that I also shared with Elizabeth Green from Jungler on one of her podcasts. You can find it on YouTube. We would be looking into discovery campaigns, not exact match campaigns. Duplicate that campaign without ticking the pause this campaign whenever you're going to launch the campaign. So tick that to ensure that that is not the case. The main campaign that you duplicated, you still want to have it on. And then the duplicate that you created, we would allocate half of the budget from the previous campaign, keep exactly the same bids. We are hoping to replicate the success of the previous campaign. So that would be a cool strategy for you, how to optimize profitable campaigns. You would just replicate their success.